first thing, this is what I'm talking about, the page, sign up page. So if you have click on the link which will give you the comment section. This is the page where you have to fill your details and you have to enroll into the section. And on this page, different what is in the lesson 1, 2, 3, it is given there in detail. And of course about the Ruble also, that who's Ruble and how you will get the supports and all. So everything is going to be mentioned here in this page, and then you can join this. So what is going to happen once you join? Immediately it will ask, another mail will come there. It will ask for the confirmation of your email address. Once you confirm that email address, then you will get another email in which you will get the access of the lesson 1. Okay. So if you get the access of lesson 1 link. When you click on that link, then this page is going to open. 3 basic SEO course, and basically there will be 5 lessons in this free SEO course, and each lesson you will get each day. So next 5 days you will get 1 lesson per day. So now the major and one of the very important thing here is that you have to look into that how these lessons are constructed and how these are going to be a very beneficial for you. So let's start with the lesson 1. So what is lesson 1? Lesson 1 is very simple. It is talking about what is SEO, what is SEO as a concept, and what are the different search engine result pages, SERP. We call it the SERP views. So what is SEO and different SERP views? So what are the things you are going to learn into this lesson? So as I told you very clearly, the first thing is you're going to learn about what is SEO. Okay. And then second, which is very important topic, is the types of SERP views. Okay, there are basically 3 to 4 different type of SERP views, which are like image carousel, video carousel, local pack, and the third important section of this lesson will be the advantage of the different SERP views. So now you have to basically, when you're going to start your SEO for your website or your client website, okay, you should have a very long vision. Okay, so you have to think about that after some time your website will also produce image carousels, also video carousel also, and it should be in the local pack also. Okay, what is image carousel, video carousel is going to be explained by Rubal into this section. This is very important. So now in the beginning itself, you have to plan. You have to plan that, after 2 months, 3 months, image carousels or video carousels or local pack should be visible whenever someone is searching for them. So it is going to be closely integrated or related to the type of business you have. Okay, for example, I'm just giving one example. If you have a business of different kind of furnitures, for example, so or e-commerce, something like that. So you have a different product, or even a same product with different images, right? So you want top image, bottom image, side image, whatever. So whenever people search with a particular keyword, then for that product, all the images should come as a colors, right? So you have to think accordingly, okay, what is your objective? You want to produce image, carousel, video, or whatever. So accordingly, you have to build your strategy, right? Now, what is, then of course, individual carousels have different advantages also. That is also going to be discussed in this lesson. Now
Every lesson, we have integrated every lesson with one quiz. Okay, so this whole quiz, if you see, I'm able to drag it here. This whole quiz is basically related to the previous lesson. It is just very simple quiz, and this is only checking your knowledge. It is testing your knowledge that the lesson one, if you have completed, so how many questions you get it right, how many questions are wrong, and what are the current option. And this is going to build a very strong base. So you're not just watching the video, you are also giving a short quiz which is going to help you to build a solid foundation or and solid understanding of this this lesson or this chapter. Now let's come to the lesson 2. Okay, now the thing is that if you click on here the lesson 2, it is not going to be visible because you will get via email lesson 2 next day. Okay, so next day you will get the email, and from there you will watch lesson 2. Okay, so let's see what are the things we have mentioned here into the lesson 2. So lesson 2 is your step by step process for keyword research, right? So keyword research, first Rubel is going to explain you about the keyword. Okay, number one thing, what is a keyword, right? Second thing is that what is the importance of keyword research. Okay, now the thing is that for example, if I am a digital marketing agency and I think that, okay, for me, the keyword is digital marketing agency, right? But the problem with this is we have not analyzed that this particular keyword, what is the competition for that particular keyword, number one thing. Okay, how easy to rank with this keyword, what is the search volume of this keyword, right? So all these things we have to research. We have to use some keyword planner tool if you want to get more ideas. So one more tool, that is keyword shitter, which is explained by the Rubel during explained by the Rubel in this lesson 2. Okay, now let's come to the lesson 3, and lesson 3 is also very important. Okay, so now you understand what is SEO. That is the first lesson. Now you understand what is the keyword and how to do the keyword research. Now third thing is come like on page SEO kind of thing. Okay, so here we are covering on page SEO in lesson 3 and lesson 4. Okay, so the on-page SEO is related to your content. The integral part of your on-page SEO is that your image should be optimized and your content should be optimized. If your article or blog post or whatever you are mentioning, those things should be highly optimized, right? So here you will able to learn the 5 vital image optimization technique through which you can optimize the image. So like you have to reduce the image size, you have to of rename or use the tagging of particular image. And another important section is like alt tag, caption, description, how to write this. Okay, this is important. You need not to how to file name of your image. It should not be abc.jpg. You are importing that, right? There should be caption. There should be alternative tag or text should be there, and it should be SEO optimized. Okay, so all these 5 parameters, vital image optimization techniques, will be explained in detail by Rubel in this section. Okay, now you have optimized the image. Now next thing which left for the on-page SEO optimization is your content, right? So now you have to basic, Rubel is going to start with very basic question, what is the content optimization and how you are going to use optimize image and optimize content, how you are going to combine that, okay, so that overall your article is on page optimized, right? So how you're going to integrate that, okay? And again, then Rubel is also going to talk about that, what are the benefits of having optimized image or optimized content and how this is going to help you to rank much, much, much higher into Google. Okay, now the last lesson is all about you can say a part of off-page optimization. Okay, so here he is going to discuss about the backlinks. What are the backlinks? What are the difference between no follow and do follow backlinks? Okay, and Rubel, in this lesson, he's going to focus mainly on the do follow backlinks because do follow backlinks are very important and they play a very, very major role for building your domain authority. Okay, and some other topics he will discuss about link juice and domain authority and how to follow backlinks related to the link juice and domain authority. So overall these things you will get into the lesson 5. Now one important thing that if you are stuck anywhere into this course, if you are stuck anywhere into or lacking the understanding of any of the topic of this course or any chapter in this group, our Squad Ninja Academy group, our Squad Ninja page, or you can mail us, message us via messenger, anything you guys can do, and we are going to answer, we are going to answer each of your queries. Okay, so the number one thing which we are focusing on giving you one-to-one support. That is one of the very important thing. So now it's guys, now it's totally up to in your hand. If you want to learn, go through that. We are here to support you. So as much as I must say you should take the benefit of this program as much as you can as per your capacity. So that's it for today's small session, and tomorrow same 8 p.m. IST we are coming with some new hot SEO topic and we will explain it every live session. Maybe tomorrow Rubel and Robin will also join with me and we will discuss some very interesting SEO topics. So stay tuned with our live, live, and if you have not follow or like our Square Ninja page or group, just follow that because we will give the notification before we go to live on every. So thank you very much. Even if you have any questions, you can just put into the comment section and we will be very happy to reply on that comment. So thank you very much.